Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Turai chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So Turai means Pirkangai. So Pirkangai chutney for idli, dosa, rice, chapati at your home. So for the Turai recipe, Turai chutney recipe, what you need, here I chopped some Turai and first take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. In that, I added 3 tablespoons of urad dal and 3 tablespoons of chana dal, and we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color. So it started becoming light brown in color, and here I added 5 to 7 red chilies according to your spice, how much spice you want in your chutney. So we have to fry all the things together. In this, I am going to add this turai, the pirkangai, and we have to fry this pirkangai along with the urad dal, chana dal, the red chili, ing powder, everything. So the pirkangai releases water, and so we have to fry this one for 3 to 4 minutes. So can you see the pirkangai started becoming very less in quantity. So that means this is ready, and when it becomes cooled down, I will grind it in the blender as a smooth paste by adding salt. So yeah, so it will take 5 minutes to 10 minutes to get cooled down. So the chutney is ready, and it's time to do the tempering for the chutney. So the tempering is ready. I added some oil in the kadai and the mustard seeds and lots of ing powder. It gives a nice taste in the chutney, and for this for the tempering it need more oil, guys, and you can store this chutney for 2 to 3 weeks. If you are living in hot country, you can store it in the fridge. And yeah, so very healthy and very tasty recipe for idli and dosa. So this is a quick video of how to make pirkangai chutney or turai chutney at your home for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.